So there's another error to fix, and this error only arose since I used the bug catcher function. So the bug catcher is supposed to, very least, send or catch all bugs, and for the large part it does. But sometimes some unusual data gets passed in from the microbit for whatever reason, maybe a glitch, something like that. So we need to react to that. So when it gets sent up here, it comes in and it checks that you're receiving data. It also checks that if it's on or off. But sometimes what can happen is it can actually return nothing. So it can return no empty data, and this is known as the none object type. And you can see up here, I've got none coming in here, and I want to account for that. So just in case that happens, and sometimes it can be just the transmission rates are going too fast or whatever's happening, like we're getting loads of offs, loads of ons, and then we get a none stuck in the middle. So to counteract that, back in my main program, just before I'm going to send it, I'm going to put in a little if statement, check if none object is being returned. So if it is, I keep calling that bring, so being returned. And so what we're going to say here is if the data that you're receiving back from Firebase, so remember here that the bug catcher data, you're storing it in this variable called data from Firebase. So if that's not equal to the none type, well, if that's the case, then you're not going to send that to Firebase there, and you're then going to get the data ready and you're going to post it. And that should eradicate that error. Now, it's still going to show up here, but we definitely won't be sending it to Firebase. So let's go back here to our, sorry, wrong one, to a Firebase. I'm going to clear some of these here. Right, clear that. And now we run it again. Apologies, run it. We should now get off, off, off. Yeah, let's click on our microbit. Changes to on. That's good stuff. And hopefully we get a none coming through there. Just a glitch, or maybe it's transmitting too fast or something. So far so good, but I can guarantee you that none is going to pulse through there now on any occasion. And remember, this is only in your shell here for testing purposes to see that everything's happening okay. Go back in here to Firebase and you can see all these are being sent, which is great. And when you want a none to come through, there is none. But look, it all seems to be working out good.